Hi, Kaden. This is week 2 of afternoon social studies, or whenever you can get it done. And this is the week of February 16th through the 18th. No school on Friday. And I will put the video here, so watch this video. And this is what is expected of you for this week. I would like you to finish last week's work, part 1 and part 2, which you will find in Canvas. And I will go to Canvas again to show you where you will find these. And these are in your assignment. Area. Here you go, part 1 and part 2. You were to work on that last week and you may have finished, and if that's the case, great. Just make sure you have submitted them. If you're still working on it, then please work on it and finish it for this week. And then the next thing that I would like you to do is to work on your Achieve 3000. And I'm going to show you that. I got the wrong thing up, so I apologize for that. So let me show you what I want you to read. Again, Achieve 3000's in your Clever. What you will be reading is Goodbye, Nelson Mandela. And I don't know why I get advertisement, but I do, and I should not. And you log into your social studies class. Social studies. I know I'd put in advisory, but it's social studies. And you'll go to Goodbye, Nelson Mandela. And it takes a little bit. I will go this way and see what I can find. Here it is. Goodbye, Nelson Mandela. And you are going to do the before reading poll, the article, the activity, and the after reading poll, and the thought question. The priority, though, is the article and the questions. All right? If anything, don't do the thought question. If you decide, hey, it's just too much, that's okay. I'll let you do that. But make sure you read the article and make sure you do the questions that go with the article. You will find these slides that you can look over, which gives you an introduction to Nelson Mandela and words that you need to know. So please go through these slides. It will tell you the learning targets, the overview of the article, gives you a brief introduction of who he is, and words that you will need to know as you read the article. Okay? Do your best, because this is a summative assignment, meaning it will count for a grade. And try to get all of this in by Thursday of this week. Again, there is no school on Friday. So that's it, Kaden. If you have any questions, please email me or talk to me during morning advisory. Bye-bye.